So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2010. They have given a program and 4 test cases. We have to uh, verify which of the following options will cover S1, S2, S3 and S4. Okay. So let us go with test case 1. In test case 1, they have said A, B, C and D all are equal. So when A, B, C, D all are equal, so first we will check A equal to B. Condition true. We will go here S1. So statement 1 is executed, and because of exit we will come out from the procedure. So this T1 will execute what? Only S1. Okay. So here only S1 will be executed. Now in test case 2 they have said A, B, C and D all are distinct. If all are distinct, so this if condition A equal to B, false. Here C equal to D, false. So this else part will be executed. In else part, statement 3 will be executed. Okay. So here S3 will be executed, and because of this exit statement, we will come out from the procedure. Now here in T3, they have said A equal to B and C not equal to D. So if we are seeing here A equal to B means S1 executed, and because of this exit statement we will come out from the procedure. So this T3 also will execute what? S1 statement. Now here if we see test case T4. In test case T4, if A not equal to B and C equal to D. Okay, because A not equal to B, so we will not execute this if statement. Else if C equal to D, we will execute this S2. Okay. So firstly this S2 will be executed. Now because here they haven't given any exit statement, so we will go further in the procedure, and at last this S4 will be executed. Okay. So this T4 will execute what? S2 and S4. Now let us check options. First they have said T1, T2 and T3. So T1 covering is what? S1. T2 is covering what? S3. And this T3 covering what? S1. So if we are looking for T1 and T1, T2, T3, they are covering S1 and S3. So this is wrong. Now here B, T2 and T4. So T2 is covering what? S3, and T4 is covering S2 and S4. So combinedly we are covering S2, S3, S4. S1 is not covered. Here in T3 and T4. So T3 covering is S1, T4 covering S2 and S4. So here S3 is not covered. Now last option is T1, T2, T4. So T1 covering S1, T2 covering S3, T4 covering S2 and S4. So S1, S2, S3 and S4. So our correct option is option D. Here we are covering all the statements S1, S2, S3 and S4. Suppose if we looking for alteration of this, so because this T4 is covering S2 and S4, so we don't have any option to cover S2 or S4. Okay. And now for covering S3 we have test case 2, but for test case 3, sorry, for S1 we have two test cases T1 and T2. So here they have taken T1. If we want any alter of this option, so we can cover it by what? T3. So there could be another option will be T3, T2 and T4, because T3 also covering S1 and T1 also covering S1, but they have given options like this. So from given options our correct option is option D. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.